Hi, I'm Cadet Pichibang Caballero. What could be the application of IoT on the maritime sector? The Internet of Things has a wide range of application in the maritime sector, which includes the shipping industry, ports, and offshore operations. 1. Fleet management IoT. Sensors can be used to monitor the performance and condition of ships, including engine performance, fuel consumption, and maintenance needs. This data can be used to optimize fleet operation, reduce maintenance costs, and improve fuel efficiency. 2. Vessel tracking and monitoring IoT. Enabled tracking device can be used to monitor the location, speed, and other parameters of ships in real time. This information can be used for navigation, route optimization, and security purpose. 3. Port operations. IoT can be used to optimize port operations such as a cargo handling, inventory management, and traffic flow. Sensors can be used to monitoring the movement of containers, trucks, and other equipment, and his data can be used to improve efficiency and reduce delays. For offshore operation, IoT can be used to monitor and control offshore oil and gas operation, including the condition of equipment, environmental factors, and worker safety. This can help to improve productivity, reduce downtime, and enhance safety. 5. Environmental monitoring. IoT sensors can be used to monitor environmental factors such as water quality, air pollution, and weather condition in the maritime environment. This information can be used to support environmental management and regularity compliance. 6. Predictive maintenance. IoT-enabled sensors can be used to monitor the condition of equipment and predict when maintenance is needed. This can help to reduce downtime and extend the lifespan of critical equipment. 7. Crew welfare. IoT can be used to monitor the health and well-being of crew members, such as the wearable device that track vital signs and activity levels. Overall, the application of IoT in the maritime sector can be lead to improve efficiency, reduce cost, enhance safety, and better environmental management. Thank you.